Hello everyone, myself Prashant Tyagi from Team Lexus and Company. I hope you all guys are safe and healthy. Today in this video, I am going to discuss the procedure of filing of consumer complaint. So let's start our video. Complaint can be filed by a complainant against the seller, manufacturer or dealer of goods which are defective or against the provider of services if they are deficient in any manner whatsoever. An unfair trade practice or restrictive trade practice can also invite complaint. Now, what type of complaint can be filed? A complaint can be a consumer to whom such goods are sold or delivered or agreed to be sold or delivered or such service provided or agreed to be provided. A firm, registered or unregistered, an individual, Hindu undivided family, a cooperative society or any other association of persons, the central or the state government. In case of death of a consumer, his legal heirs or representatives. Along with the complainant is required to file copies of supporting documents, that is cash memo, receipts, agreements, etc. The complainant is required to file 3 copies of complaint together with the enclosures of official purpose plus copies for the number of opposite parties. The complaint should be filed along with the fee in the form of postal order, demand draft according to the amount of compensation claimed. What and how amount of fee is prescribed in the complaint, how type of complaint is divided in what type of fee prescribed. First, up to 1 lakh rupees, 100 rupees by way of postal order or demand draft in favor of President District Forum. Second, 1 lakh to 5 lakh. The fee is 200 rupees. Above 5 lakh to rupees 10 lakh. The fee is 400 rupees. Above 10 lakh to 20 lakh is fee is rupees 500. Above 20 lakh to 50 lakh. The fee is 2000 rupees. Above 50 lakh to 1 crore, the fee is 4000 rupees. The complaint can be filed through an authorized representative, that is advocate, lawyer in person. Jurisdiction for filing complaints. What type of jurisdictions are needed for file the complaint? In terms of the provisions contained in the Consumer Protection Act 1986, the complaints are as follows. First, with the value of goods or services and compensation, if any, claimed below rupees 20 lakh or up to 20 lakhs, can be filed before district courts. Second, with the value of goods or services and compensation, if any claim exceeds rupees 20 lakh but does not exceed 1 crore, can be filed before state commission. With the value of goods, of services and compensation, the claim exceeds rupees 1 crore, can be filed in National Commission. The complaints can be filed at the filing counter of the State Commission on every working day. It is necessary for the person filing the complaint to get an acknowledgement indicated the date of filing of the complaint as to show the Commission that the same has been filed within the period of limitation in terms of provision contained in the Act. Now, we have discussed sometimes the complaints have been rejected, complaints have been dismissed. Then, what is the procedure for filing the appeals for the related complaints? In terms of the provisions contained in the section 15 of the Consumer Protection Act 1986, it has been provided that any person aggrieved by an order passed by the district forum may prefer an appeal against such order to the State Commission within 30 days from the date of order. First, memorandum shall be presented by the appellant of his authorized agent to the State Commission in person or sent by registered post address to the Commission. Second, every memorandum of appeal filed under sub-rule 1 shall be legible handwriting and shall set forth concisely under distinct heads the ground of appeals without any argument or narrative, and such grounds shall be numerous consequently. When the appeal is presented after the expiry of period of limitation as specified in the Act, memorandum shall be accompanied by an application supported by an affidavit setting forth the reasons on which the appellant relies to certify the commission. The appellate shall submit 3 copies of memorandum of state commission for official purposes along copies of service of the respondent. Any person desires for filing an appeal can be filed the appeals and in any working day of the state commission. These above all discussed are the procedure for filing appeals and the complaints. I hope you understand the procedure of filing complaints and the procedure of filing appeals in case of rejection of the complaints. I hope you like our video. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay tuned. Have a nice day.